welcome back to our EVS class. My dear students, we have started a third lesson, that is organs system. Okay, what is the name of lesson? Organ systems. In previous session, we have studied different organs which are inside a body. Can you tell me what do we call that organs? Yes, we call them as internal organs. Understand? Now, can you tell me what we have learned in that session? Yes, we have seen different internal organs, and in that we have learned functions of particular internal organs. As we all know that our internal organs, they perform special function in our body. So, by that organs, in today's session, we are going to see some organ systems. Understand? Now, can you tell me what is meant by organ system? Yes, let us see what is meant by organ system. Before that, open your EVS notebook and write down the aim of today's class in your notebook. So here, different organ systems and its parts. What we are going to learn in today's class? Yes, we are going to learn different organ systems and their parts. Do you know that how many organ systems are there? Can you name some organ systems? Yes, we have different organ systems in our body. Some organ systems are skeletal system, nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, muscular system, excretory system, and many more. Okay. Now, what is the use of these organ systems and why do we call them as organ system? Can you tell me? Okay. See here. The groups of organs inside the body that do specific tasks. As your teacher gives you homework, there you do many things on your own. Okay, and the things should be done by you. Okay, in the same way, inside a body there are different organs and they perform their specific tasks. They perform their specific work which can be done by them only. Okay. So here organ system is nothing but the groups of organs. Okay. Inside the body. Where is that group of organ present? Inside our body. And what do they do? Yes, they have specific tasks to perform in our body and that are called organ systems. Understand? Write down this in your notebook. What do you have to write? The meaning of organ systems. And it is the groups of organs inside the body that do specific tasks are called organ system. Understand? Okay. See here, we'll see one by one the names of organ system and its part. You have to write side by side the name of organ system and its part. Okay, are you ready? Yes. See here. Some important organ systems. There are different organ systems in our body. But in today's class, we will see some important organ systems which perform a specific task in our body. So here it has many important parts. We all know that our organ system that have many important parts. These parts help us in many ways and that body parts help us in many ways. You all know that our body parts, they help us in many ways, such as eyes help us to see the world around. Okay. Then our nose. With the help of nose, we can breathe and smell the things. Okay. Then with the mouth, you speak and eat. Then your tongue tells you different tastes. With the help of ear, you can hear and listen different sounds. Okay. So here we'll see some important organ system and the part of organ system. Okay. See here. The first organ system is digestive system. So you have to write the name of first system, that is digestive system. Understand? D-I-G-E-S-T-I-V-E. Digestive. S-Y-S-T-E-M. System. Digestive system. Okay. Now we'll see which are the important parts of digestive system. See here, a digestive system starts with our mouth. We eat the food, we shape it in our mouth. Then it goes to our stomach, passing through food pipe. Okay. So first part is mouth. That is first organ is mouth. Then food pipe. Then stomach. A stomach is a sac-like structure which is present in our abdominal cavity. Okay. And this part is called as intestine. Okay. See here, first organ is mouth. Then food pipe. It is also known as esophagus. Then stomach, a sac-like structure which is present in abdominal cavity. And intestine, we shape food in our mouth. Then it passes from food pipe or esophagus in stomach. Our stomach works like a mixer grinder which grinds and digests our food. Then in the intestine, different juices get mixed into the food, and with the help of the juices, our food get mixed into the blood. Okay. Then these are the different organs which are important organs of digestive system. I hope you have written this name and different organs. Understand? Now see. Here you can see picture of stomach. What is the structure of stomach? Is it looking like a sack? Yes, a stomach looks like sack. Okay. Now let us move toward the next system of our body. That is respiratory system. R-E-S-P-I-R-A-T-O-R-Y. Respiratory system. S-Y-S-T-E-M. Respiratory system. Here you can see respiratory system. Okay. Now we will see the important parts of or important organs of respiratory system. Here our respiratory system starts with nose. Like digestive system starts with our mouth. So here the first organ is our nose. Here nose, windpipe, lungs. These are the important parts of our respiratory system. This windpipe is also known as trachea, which connects our nose to the lungs. With the help of nose, we breathe in fresh air and breathe out stale air. Okay. These all things takes place in our lungs. How many lungs do we have? Yes, we have a pair of lungs. Means two lungs. That is left and right. Left and right lung. Okay. How many lungs do we have? We have two lungs. So here the respiratory system and its organs. Have you written it? Yes. Now see the next system, that is circulatory system. What is the third system? Circulatory system. That is circulatory. Circulatory system. SYSTEM. Circulatory system. Here you can see the parts of circulatory systems. Okay? See here. We will see organs of circulatory system. Here, heart and blood vessels. You can see blood vessels in this picture. Here, see, our heart is having blood vessels. These blue and red lines which you can see here, that are nothing but blood vessels. What is the function of our heart and blood vessels? Yes, heart is pump the blood. What is the function of heart? Heart pumps the blood, and that blood vessels, they carry blood to the other body parts. It is like water pump. Okay, it pumps blood, and with the help of that blood vessels, it provides blood to all body parts. Alright, and a heart is size of a fist. Understand? Our heart is about the size of our fist. Alright, have you written the names of 1 minute, students? Heart and blood vessels? Yes. Now, see here. 1 minute. The next system of our body, that is nervous system. Okay. What is the name of next system of our body? Nervous system. A nervous system contains brain and different nerves. Okay. With the help of a brain, we perform many activities. Okay. It helps us to perform many activities. And so here you can see nervous system. NERVOUS. Nervous system. SYSTEM. And the organs are brain and nerves. Here you can see brain, and in the last slide you have seen nerves. Okay. So here these are the important organs of nervous system. Our brain helps us to learn, read, write, and it also helps us to remember the thing. Okay. Brain controls different activities which performed by our body, and our brain also works when we are sleeping. Our heart, it also works when we are sleeping. Alright. So see next. I hope you all have understood all these systems and its organs. So you have to write all these things in your EVS notebook. Alright students. If you have any doubt or any query regarding this, you can ask. Alright? We'll see next session in the next session in next video. Alright? Till that time, thank you.